Another project, it's engine swap. So dealer gave a customer printout stating that head gasket should be replaced. From my experience, 2004 to 2009 Priuses are bulletproof. Never fails the head gasket. So when we start doing the compression test, all perfectly fine, we find out that the oil is just leaks out of the exhaust system. So it's mean that either the pistons or the valve seams is seized, but the customer looks like it's has extensive damage in the piston ring. So we suggested to swap the engine completely. We find the low mile engine, and we're gonna install it. So this is what you see it right now. Right now we're assembling the engine that's going to be installed. This was from the donor car. We've done a compressor test and a VIN number check, which is a Carfax, to find out what's the real miles and what the maintenance. So that will be a really happy customer.